Hi and welcome to another video. So today I am going to teach you how to fix we have detected automated behavior on your account in Instagram. So if you have received a message on Instagram stating that we have detected automated behavior on your account, it means that the Instagram's automated systems have detected activity on your account that appears to be automated or violating their terms of service. So to resolve this issue, you can follow the following steps. So first, you need to confirm your actions. Reflect on your recent activities on Instagram and consider if you have been engaging in any automated or against the terms of service actions. So this could include activities such as using bots, third-party automation tools, or violating Instagram's community guidelines. Number two, you need to secure your account. Change your Instagram account password immediately to ensure that your account is not compromised. Choose a strong, unique password that includes a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using easily guessable passwords or reusing passwords from other platforms. Next is you need to disconnect unauthorized third-party applications. So if you have connected any third-party applications or services to your Instagram account, review them and revoke access to any suspicious or unauthorized applications. To do this, visit the authorized application section on your Instagram account settings and remove any applications that you don't recognize and no longer use. Next is you need to enable two-factor authentication. So implementing two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your Instagram account. Enable 2FA by going to your Instagram account settings, selecting security, and then follow the prompts to set it up. This will require you to enter a verification code to send to your mobile device whenever you log in to your to your Instagram account. Next is to contact Instagram support. So if you believe the automated behavior detection was a mistake, or if you need further assistance, you can contact Instagram support team. Just visit the Instagram Help Center on their website and look for the appropriate contact option, such as submitting a support request or reaching out via social media. Next is to or vi- avoid automated or violating actions. Moving forward, ensure that you comply with Instagram's terms of service and community guidelines. Avoid using automated tools, bots, or engaging in action to go against Instagram's policies. Focus on authentic engagement and genuine interactions on the platform. Remember that it is important to note that resolving this issue may take some time as it often requires Instagram's review and verification on your account. Just be patient and cooperate with any instructions or requests from Instagram's support team to restore your account to normal functioning. And that is all for today's video. I hope you like it and please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell button. That is all, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.